Okay, I'm back. I'd like to do a recap here of the trades in the trade room up till 12 o'clock from 9 to 12. Start with the Russell, the TF, 4-wick Drenko. Today we had a buy here, essentially a buy into a triple break, type 1 setup into a triple. You can see where I got long. I actually took this trade. It came up to an exact triple top. Rejected. I got out of break even. That's just a style of trading that I do. Came this area of resistance, rejected, got out. Came back to an area double bottom, even though it just ticked lower. It's essentially a double bottom tick miss. Still in buy, slight divergence. We ignore divergence in a triple break. And we have this look here. Let me just draw this in. So essentially we have this, and then we have this. Okay, squeeze play, double bottom reject, back with the swing, we're in. Broke through areas of resistance. Actually had a 16-tick target, got an extra 8 ticks out of it because of the strategy that I run. So there's a 24-tick target right there. Right here on this trade, it is a type 1 trade. The Russell is leading to the upside in the markets. So took this trade, won a couple of bricks. The correlated markets all retracing back up, so decided to get out of break even. Still really hasn't gone to a stop or a target officially, but I got out of break even. So we have 2 break evens here and a nice winner on the 4-wick Drenko on the Russell for system trades. And then we have the 4-wick Drenko on the YM. No system trades triggered in until right here. This is a divergent start point and a type 2 setup. Kind of a reversal trade. We have permission, divergence, start point, breakthrough to a lower low, lower high, we're in. Really want to get down in this double bottom, saw the corresponding, like the ES tick up, got out of break even. Really should have waited for this double bottom to hit the second brick here so that a reversal, if I did do a reversal Renko bar, it would have been out of break even. Had I done that, would have gone to a nice 16-tick winner or more later on, and that was really the only trade there in the YM today. So it was a trader's choice whether or not to hang on to it. For me, it was a break-even trade. For a true system trader, it was a winner, a full winner. And then if I go here to oil, right when we opened the room, I was a little late. I missed this beautiful, again, like we had before, this trade here, where it was essentially a lower double bottom, double top reject back with the swing into a triple break. Didn't get in it, didn't see it, didn't have things open in time. You can see the squeeze play into it. Broke down, real nice trade. Didn't even pause at the support area, just went right through down to this area here. So, if you really were looking for extended targets or really trailing out, you could have exited here or exited up here in a trailer. I always use this as an exit, close above stop dots, and that's what we report in the system performance. I also took a short here. It was a valid short. Went a brick my way. Bias is to the downside. Structure isn't fully complete. We have a higher high, lower low, and then a lower high. We don't have lower lows going into this trade, but my criteria is that we need a lower low before the trade. So this did turn out to be a loser. Broke above this resistance area here and stopped out. And that was essentially it for oil today. And then gold. Gold had some nice runs today after yesterday being a real squirrely day because of FOMC, but it was really hard to get into them on this time frame. But there was an entry here, and I know why I didn't take it. I was looking at a bunch of other stuff. It came down and at the double bottom, at a triple bottom here, went to break even. There is another entry in here, a triple break entry. It's really tight, but it is there. And that did go to be a winner. 1, 2, 3. Actually, again, another break-even trade. Trader's choice whether to take profit down here, but I'm going to call this a break-even. There was 15 ticks in it. Then we really have no reset here on this time frame until here. A trade could have been taken here. I happened to get into oil at the time. The better trade is the flip trade. In either case, you hang on to chart stop out areas, and this did go to be a winner even with a 2-to-1 initial risk to reward ratio. You do see that a lot when trades pull back and don't run right away. They tend to go further. So that kind of fits that bill right now. There's nothing signaling that's going to pass through the filters. Let me just pull in here the ES just to show you this. Today, we had a nice buy trade here, but it was into reverse divergence, so we did not take it. Okay. There really are no other signals except for right here. We do get a reset of divergence here, pulls back, goes in. The entry's right here. It does go 6 ticks, would fill 7, but we're looking for 4 bricks, 3 bricks to break even. So essentially, this trade is a break-even trade according to the system rules. So, and then, it would have gotten stopped out anyway, close above here. So it was a nice move to go to break even. And then let me just bring in just a couple other quick markets here, the euro and the dollar, so that we can get a correlated look, reverse correlated look. Really, at 10 o'clock this morning, there were some buy signals in here, and there's no reason not to take them. It's actually a reject off of support. If we go in here, there's a nice area I can almost take this line all the way over, but from yesterday, but I'll just bring it right in here. So we get a nice reject area look. You can go long any of these. Need to hold, really below down here, but just below this area here, it held. 4 bricks was a winner. Anybody trading the euro essentially should be in somewhere there. Out 16 ticks. It's a 4-wick Drenko bar. Trade for the day on the euro. Here on the on the dollar, it happened a little earlier, but same type of setup. Railroad tracks into the value zone. No real reason not to take the trade. A little bit of room down at the bottom, at least to manage. So we had a DX winner here also, 4 bricks. Whether you're trading 1 or 2 contracts is 1, entirely up to you. Trailer either got out at break even, or you just do it as a target trader. So that kind of recaps the euro, the dollar, the ES, the YM, the Russell, the gold, and crude oil, all on these single time frame charts. Please keep in mind there were some nice trades on some of the smaller time frame charts. However, having to go over all of those, we're sticking to these main time frame charts as system trades. And these are only trades right up until now, which is right at the 12 o'clock period.